Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat in with Grok Trade with the trade of the day, and it was about a lucky trade. I'm going to define what I mean by a lucky trade at the end of the demonstration here, so sit back and let's go. Here it was on WW. Hey, it had bad earnings, was down and opening here. And right here is it opening, was bouncing here around this 585 area. Support came back right to that area. So I set up a trade for a low base here and a minute bear pullback here. I set it right here, ready to go here at 581. And survey says, what happened? Bam, it dropped down, but it had to be on the uptick only. So I was at 581, but I did pull it down and I got in at a 578. 578, I am now short on WW. I have a 1% attached stop automatically here at 583. And so that's 1%. Let's see where we go from there. And these are 1 minute candles, by the way. So there's another minute there. There it goes. It was falling. And then right down here, this 545 started to low base down in this area. Now I have a rule that if it low bases for 3 minutes or so and 3 candles, in this case, I go ahead and I take out half. So I did. I took out half here at a 547 for 5.4% just on that first half. Cool. Now my stop then, it was in the money. And so I'm going to bring it down here just above 560, which was resistance area here. And we'll see what happens next here. It wicks up there and then comes right back under that 8 EMA. So I'm going to reduce my risk again here. I'm going to put it at 554 right there. And again, we'll let our winners run here. It's still basing here. There's 545. Look, it keeps piercing below it, but not closing below 545. Cool. Here we go. And look at that. It dropped all the way down here. Okay, do I pull it back down or not? It's been bull basing here a long time. And, oh, man, look at that. Popped up, and look at that. It tagged 155 exactly and stopped me out on the second half at 554 for 4.2% on that second half. So let's look at this whole trade here. Again, that was just a little bit there, right? So here we were. It was low basing right here. It dropped down. I got in when it on the uptick only, and it fell down. When it stalled, I took out my partial to give my second half a chance to run. And sure, it came up here and stopped me out just, by the 1 penny here. And I was going sideways. So this entire trade was for 4.8% in 14 minutes. Ooh, doggies. I love it when that happens. And then what happened after that was as it fell right back down to those lows of days and then sat down here at this 535 area for quite a while. And then it started to go down. But that was more like a half an hour later. All right, so that's that trade. But let me talk about what I mean by luck. All right. Luck, my definition of luck was where your preparation meets the actual opportunity. Now, what do I mean by preparation? Well, I mean by preparation is when you have a trading education, you know the essential things you need to do. I've developed a trading plan, and I have rules to get a high probability entry on my trades. Now then, where can you get that? You can get that from Grok Trade. More on that a little bit later. And then also, I am set up, and I'm setting up my trade to let the market come to me. That's the high probability entry rather than trying to chase it. And that's a low probability, high risk entry. That's right. So if you want to go to groktrade.com here, you can find out different opportunities for you to increase your trading education. You can get our 101s. They're free. We have 201s and the 301 live mentoring that I do once a month. That's the big item. That's the center. You get the right education so that you can then develop a trading plan. Will put the odds in your favor consistently over time, and then you will make more money than you lose over time. That's our whole goal of our mentoring program. And not only that, after you take the trading education part of it, we're your mentors from that point forward while you implement it, right? So anyway, go to groktrade.com, read all about it under Trading Mentor, or you can come into the GrokGrad day trading chat room and for 6 weeks, try it out for free. See if you can be in front of the markets between 9 and 11 each morning Eastern time. Come join us and you can find out what it's about. And again, that applies to both not just day trading, but also to our swing trading and everything else. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember, this is not rocket surgery. You need to get an education, develop a trading plan so you can be a winning, consistent trader. Mark Mark the Meerkat. Trade well, and may your winners